So this is our spacious living room area. So this is our kitchen space, and as you can see this is our fourth master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Myself Aishwarya, and today I'll be giving you sample flat tour project Shobha Alicia by Shobha Realty located in Gift City, Ahmedabad. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location, and right behind me is the actual sales office. And right in front of the sales office there is an actual site. So now let me show you the neighborhood. So the road of the left hand side leads you to Gift City Road, and right hand side leads you to Delhi Mumbai Golden Corridor Highway. So now before we move further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where home buyers are directly connected with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, then your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads you to endless calling. But here in Housey, you are directly connected with the developer because here listings are done by developer and not broker. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today directly with Housey. So let's start. First one is project overview. This project is being developed on 2.65 acres of land parcel featuring 2 towers with 4 basements plus 38 floors, having 3 BHK and 3 BHK plus home office, 4 BHK and 4 BHK plus home office and 4 BHK duplex. Now coming to the location part. This project is located at Block 46 H&I, Gift City, Gandhinagar, with the distance of Gift City Metro Station 15 minutes, Gift City Club 7 minutes walking distance, and D-Mart 10 minutes walking distance. Here you get access to 20 plus luxurious amenities like 20,000 square feet of clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, multi-purpose hall, sanitary deck, kids play area, and many more. Now let me give you a tour of sample flat of 4 BHK with the carpet area of 1853 square feet. So let's start. So this is your entrance, and here you get this wooden door, and as we enter you get the spacious long vestibule area, and on this side of wall you can design just like this. You can put a painting or some kind of figure, and here you can make a shoe rack. Now let me show you our spacious living room. So this is our spacious living room area. As you can see, it is very spacious and you can roam around in your living room very freely. And here, just like this in L shape, you can set your sofas with a center table. And now let me show you TV unit area. So on this side of wall, you can design your TV unit like this or the way you like. Now let me give you a spatial tour. So here you get this home office area, and here you can work on your laptop, sit here, and here you can rest, and here you get this small window for ventilation. You can get a fresh air while working. Now let me give you another surprise thing. So here you get storage area cum puja room. You can make this area for storage, or also you can make a temple here. Now let me show you our dining space. So this is our dining space. Here you can sit 7-8 people easily can sit together and have a dinner or lunch together. Now let me show you our spacious balcony. So this is our spacious balcony. As you can see, it is very spacious and big enough. Here also in the evening and morning time you can take fresh air, sit here together with your family members. Now let me show you our kitchen area. So this is our kitchen space, and as you can see, it is very spacious enough, and you can see this kitchen platform. It is very big in L shape, and here there are lower cabinets. You can also design your cabinets like this, and here there are upper cabinets, and here there are decks. You want to make decks or upper cabinet, that will be your choice completely. And now here you get this fridge area. On this side of corner you get a fridge point. And now let me show you our kitchen small balcony. So this is our kitchen small balcony, and here You can wash your utensils separately. You get this space. Now let me show you our first master bedroom. So here you get this butterfly concept, and here you get our first master bedroom, which is also very spacious enough. You can roam freely around the area, and as you can see, you can set your bed on this side, and there is a window over here which is very big, and you get fresh air and ventilation. And here you can make a table like this to study or something just like that. And on this side of wall you get this spacious wardrobe area. You can set your wardrobe on this corner. Now let me show you our attached bathroom. So this is our attached bathroom. It is also very spacious, and you get antiseptic tiles and modern fittings in our bathroom. So let's move towards our laundry area. It is very rare in sample set because this will be your laundry area. You can see it is very spacious and long enough. You can set here on this corner, you can set your washing machine and also make decks like this, and you can put your clothes here for laundry or something like this. Over upper side it is very heighted also. So yeah, now let me show you our common bathroom area. So this is our common bathroom. You can see it is very spacious, and here also you get antiseptic tiles and modern fittings. Now let me show you our second master bedroom. So here you get this second spacious master bedroom. As you can see, there is a lot of space over here, and here on this side of wall you can set your bed just like this. And as you can see, there is a big window over here, and as you can see, this room is in a triangle shape. And here you get this bay window, which is very big and spacious, and you can get a really good view through this window. So here also you can make sofa like this, or you wanna keep it empty, that will be your completely choice. And here on this side of wall you can make table or display a picture, that's your choice. And on this side of wall you can make your wardrobe just like this. Now let me show you our attached bathroom area. So this is our attached bathroom, and here you also get antiseptic tiles and modern fittings. Now let me show you our third master bedroom, and that is our children bedroom. So this is our children room, but before we enter you get this huge space corridor. So this is children room, or you want to make normal bedroom, that will be your choice. So here you can set a bed for your child, and you can design children room like this, and this cupboard area where books and toys like this. Here there is a center table for a little child. You can also design like this, and here you also get this bay window, and you can also set sofa like this, or you can keep it empty. So this was our children room, and here you also get this attached bathroom, which is also very spacious, and here also you get antiseptic tiles and modern fittings. So now let me show you our fourth master bedroom. But before we enter our fourth master bedroom, let me introduce you with the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tour, with sample flat videos and actual flat videos, the pros and cons of the project, payment schemes and EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. So all these wonderful features are under housey.com. So register yourself for free and book your free site visit now. So now let's enter towards our fourth master bedroom. So this is our fourth master bedroom, and it is very big and spacious enough. Just look at the space over here, and here also you can roam freely around the space, and here you can set your bed. And as you can see, there is a window gallery over here. So here you get the spacious balcony area in our fourth master bedroom. As you can see, it is very spacious and big enough. Here you also can sit in evening time and roam around in balcony area. So here you can see this wall. Here you can make cupboards like this, lower cupboards, or you can also set your TV in your bedroom area. And this side of wall you can set your wardrobe just like this on this corner. And now let me show you our attached bathroom. So as you can see, bathroom is very spacious and you can make your bathroom just like this. You can separate your bath area. So everyone, this was the complete sample flat tour of 4 BHK of the project Shobha Alesia by Shobha Realty located in Gift City, Gandhinagar. If you are looking for more details of this project, then you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.